In this tutorial, I'll show you how to start off the lab with our Civil 3D series. When you do that, I want you to come here to our website under Import Data and Lab Data and Files. You're going to notice there's two files I want you to download. The first one is the base file. If you click on this, it'll give you a download option here, so make sure to download right here or use this button. Either of these is going to download that, and click that and download to the to your local computer. Also take the title block, it'll look like just like the same, and hit download there. Once that's done, you'll have two files here, the base file and the title block, all in the same place. I recommend that you put these in a location that basically you can come back and find. You can leave them in downloads, but I'm sorry, you should not leave them in downloads. Put them in your own personal folder somewhere. Now, once that's done, you're going to want to open the base file. Now, a lot of computers, if you just double click on the base file, will bring up AutoCAD, and that's not what we want. We want to make sure to bring up Civil 3D. And so if you go ahead and bring up Civil 3D, doesn't matter what it is initially, and we are going to go ahead and open. You can either click here, open, or open from here. We're going to open a drawing. Navigate to wherever you know yours is at, and mine's in the downloads, and I'm going to bring this in like that. Now, this base file has a lot of information. It may look blank here, but there's all sorts of settings that are pre-established, like layers, basically point styles, point formats, text heights, things like that, that are already set for you, so you don't need to recreate any of that stuff. So it's really important that you start from this point right here. Now, the second piece of that is that the layout. So you're going to notice we have a model space where we do all of our drawing, and then the layout is how this is going to be visualized when we set that up. And so that when you print that to a piece of paper or plot that, this is how it's going to look. And so we want to bring in a new layout though. So we're going to right click here, and from template we're going to bring in a new one. Now, you will navigate to your own personal wherever you basically specified where yours will be. Now, my title block was currently under downloads. Again, yours should be under your own personal folder, and you'll hit open. That's going to give you an option then to make sure to select 11 by 17. You can create more options than that, but here is the way that one looks. So now if you see on this other tab here, I have a WSU title block already created. This is easy. So you don't have to create it yourself, anything like that, and so you're set to go with that drawing. Make sure you get to this point before you start the beginning of the lab, or else you'll have to backtrack and basically re-import settings or the template itself. So you can go ahead and then delete these here, like so. And then if you are wanting to create a new tab in here, do make sure to right click from here and go from template again, and make sure that that pulls in the original or the new WSU template that we've already preset in there. That's how you set up the lab file and the title block in Civil 3D.